Camp. Oh, they're playing. They're playing. Huh. Psst, psst. Ellie, come here. She said meow. Smash the like button right now if you love animal friendship. No, forget it. Smash the like button if you love friendship, like all friendship. Like, look at that. Aww, that's cute. Oh, they're best friends now. But me and my cat are like right there. We're BFFs. Oh my god, that smell, Maya. Doggy, did you fart? Did you fart? Ugh, that smell. I don't like that. Stop that smell. Ow. Now my cat's attacking my feet. Pet, 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 pet. Da 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 da. Okay, that was kind of cringy. Oh my god, right now. Smash the like button if you want to see more of my animals, like, or smash the. Oh, I'm actually gonna start doing something called Fan Choice Friday, and I play games chosen by you, but it has to be like a mobile game, and then I'll record it on screen cam. So yeah. So just comment down below what you want me to play on Friday. I know it's kind of like copying other content because like other people do this. Well, a lot of people do this, so yeah. Yeah, maybe we'll do something. Yeah, maybe we'll do something about that. I'm gonna stick it in my leg. Am I actually gonna have to stick this in me? Cause I don't wanna freaking do that. It's gonna hurt. Oh, that hurts! Ow, there's a hole in my leg now. They're not doing anything. Say hi, Maya. Shoot. Maya, come here. Come here, sweetie. Oh. They are now approaching. Oh, wait. Stop it! Get away from me! Oh man, she's scared. Oh wow, this is a perfect screenshot. Yo, thumbnail. That should be the thumbnail right there. Excuse me. Shoot. Kitty. Ow. Puppy scratching her head. Cause she's thinking. He's like, Cause she's like, Yeah, you know, some of that stuff. Some of that good old thinking. Oh my god, Maya, get your butthole out the picture. Oh, she's playing with her tail. Here it is. It's adorable. Earlier, she started actually biting her tail. Psst, psst. Look at her. I'm zooming in on her. Oh my god, look at that beautiful face. Look at that beautifulness. Shit, she's running away. Stop running away. Stop running away from the power of friendship. You cannot escape the power of friendship, nor it can escape you. Nor it can't escape you. So stop trying to escape friendship. It won't escape you. So just live with it. Okay, timer on. It's like a non-microwave, but it's a thing. Oh! Wow, that is loud. That is loud. That is loud. My heart is literally out of my chest right now. Well, yeah. Yeah, let's just end this right here. Smash that like button if you love my animals right now. Oh, there's Stella. There's the third one. No, don't follow her. Da-da. 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 We got pizza. Oh, shoot, I gotta follow them. Don't freaking hiss at her. Why would you do that? He's just a baby. Are you okay, my sweetie? Ow! Ow! She's biting my toes. Shoot. Well, bye.